Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the air duct in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a quarter nut driver and a pair of needle nose pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new air duct. This air duct is mounted in the center of the rear cover panel in the freezer compartment. It distributes cold air blown by the evaporator fan motor into both the freezer and fresh food sections. The main reason to replace the air duct is if it's broken and won't stay in place. To get it apart, we need to open the freezer door. To pull the ice bucket, we just simply take it out, slide it out. Alright, next I'm going to remove the ice maker. It's held in place by 3 1/4-inch screws, 2 at the top and 1 at the bottom, right there. Using a 1/4-inch nut driver, I'm going to remove the bottom one first and the top ones. I'm going to put it down. Next, I'm going to unplug this power plug. There's a tab here on the side. I'm going to pull it and pull the plug apart. Now we're going to remove the ice maker. Now we can remove the shelf. I'm going to lift up on the right side, push it in, then lift the left side all the way up and slide out the right side. Now we can remove the shelf. Next, I'm going to remove this evaporator cover panel. There's a couple of 1/4-inch screws need to be taken out. Using a 1/4-inch nut driver, I'm going to remove them. Next, I'm going to remove this clip that is a ground wire. It's on the left side next to this water inlet tube. I'm going to use a 1/4-inch nut driver, but you can use anything you want that is good enough to take it off. Next, I'm going to remove this cover panel. I'm going to grab it here and tilt it forward, shake it side to side, and make sure that the plug is not on the way, so we're going to push it through. Alright, so let's bring it to the table, and now we're going to remove this part, air duct, and turn it around. And we've got 5 clips that hold this in place. We got 2 at the top, we've got 3 at the bottom. There's a 1, 2, and little 1, 3. I'm going to use this needle nose pliers, and I'm going to very gently pull this up, and we're going to slide this air duct out at the bottom and at the top at the same time. So, and now I'm going to slide it more so all 4 clips will be free. And then lift up. This is the old air duct next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so we're gonna lay down the air duct this way up, and I'm going to bring the cover panel and I'm gonna place it with the cutouts. We got 4 cutouts matching these clips. Push it down, and I'm going to slide it this way so they will lock. So this security pin also locked, but we bent slightly the metal, and use the same needle nose pliers. We're going to bend it back slightly. No, not much. I'm going to grab it and place it into the fridge. Alright, so I'm going to bring in the panel and I'm going to start installation. I need to place it over the openings. Slide it in. And I'm going to reach over and get this plug. I'm going to slide the plug into this cutout. And this ground wire clip. Hold it so it wouldn't go back. We're going to install everything into the cutouts, push it down, make sure it's sealed. There should be no seam openly seen. So down. Next I'm going to install this ground wire clip, and I'm going to put back the wire itself. I'm going to clip on this ground wire connector and place the wire in. Now I'm going to secure the cover panel with a couple of screws. Push it back, match the holes, and using the 4-inch nut driver I'm going to install the screws. Now I'm going to install the shelf. I'm going to start with the right side. I'm going to install it into the cutouts and slide it all the way to the right, lower down the left side, and pull it in. I'm going to start installation with placing that front screw in using a 4-inch nut driver. That's it, no more than that. And then we're going to plug in the ice maker. Make sure it's locked. And I'm going to turn it around and feed the harness back into this cutout. Place this water inlet tube into this opening here at the back. That's very important. I'm going to hang the ice maker on the front screw. And next I'm going to install the rear screw. I'm going to use the 4-inch nut driver, and I'm going to place the screw in, and I'm going to tighten the front one, and now I'm going to place the bottom screw in. Now we can install the ice bucket under the ice maker. Okay, now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.